New tonight, all children in the Birmingham metro area have a new place to play. A grand opening was held today for the new Explore Playground and Splash Pad in Hoover. The inclusive playground features a clubhouse that allows for 2 mobility devices inside and several more on the deck. The splash pad is also designed for children with and without disabilities to play side by side. Hoover Mayor Frank Briccato tells us the project was 3 years in the making.
It was a group effort by individuals all across the state that wanted to bring something very special for our children and for our parents, that parents with disabilities or children with disabilities, they can all play together with children that don't necessarily have a disability. So this is for everyone.
Small one, but
the 15,000 square foot playground and 7,000 square foot splash pad are on the grounds of the Hoover Met. You can find them next to the Finley Center.